Are your charts a mess? Are you sick of lagging indicators giving you bad signals? Let's fix that. Today you will learn a simple two-indicator system that gives clear buy and sell signals. It works on any market and on any time frame. Best of all, the indicators are 100% free. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. All trading involves significant risk. You should always do your own research and backtesting. Never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, let's build our system. It will only take 60 seconds. First, open the Indicators tab. In the search box, type Trending RSI. Add the 1 by Chart Prime. Next, go back to the search box and type Trend Classifier. Again, choose the 1 by Chart Prime. Now for one small change, go to the settings for the Trend Classifier. In the Inputs tab, change the length from 10 to 21. That's it. Our setup is ready. Look at this example on the chart. We get a red zone, we get a bearish candle, and the RSI is red. This is a perfect signal. We enter the trade here. We place our stop loss above the second level of the Trend Classifier. We aim for a risk to reward of 1 to 1.5. A perfect trade. Now let's look at the rules for a buy trade. They are the exact opposite. For a buy trade, we need 3 conditions. 1. The Trend Classifier zone must be green. 2. The market must print a bullish green candle. 3. The trending RSI line must be green. As you can see, this system makes finding entries very clear. Pro tip: if you are in a trade and you get a confirmed signal in the opposite direction, consider closing your trade early. This can help you protect your profits. This strategy is powerful because it keeps you on the right side of the trend, but you must backtest it for yourself. See if it works for the assets that you like to trade. If you want more simple and effective trading strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching.